Hello beloved friends, I am going to share with you some of the inspirational, motivating, intellectual thoughts which can stimulate our wits and wisdom to be successful in life. If we don't design our own life plan, chances are we shall fall into someone else's plan, and let's guess what they have planned for us. Not much. A man is the architect of his own fortune. We have to make a choice what we want in life, where we want to go, who I am, what I have to become. This is our life. We have to decide to do something which inspires us, motivates us, and what we love doing. It should not be a boredom. It should be fun working. That's the way what Sir Thomas Alva Edison said. He never worked in his life. It was always a hobby and passion for him. All the Nobel laureates for that matter, they discovered they worked day and night, but they never felt they were working. So we have to also have certain things. Identify what you love to do. If you want to succeed, we should strike out on new paths rather than travel from worn paths of accepted success. Means think unrealistic. Dare to dream which nobody ever believed. And what Arnold Schwarzenegger says, be ready to break the rules. You will be the first man to achieve such great goals. If we have got a talent, let's convert our talent into a skill by grinding, by beating day and night our craft, and produce the most pronounced, excellent skill in life. If you want to conquer fear, let's don't sit home and think about it. Let's go out and get busy. If we can dream it, believe it, my dear friend, we can do it. As Napoleon Hill told, this is the spiritual power. What the mind can conceive, imagine, believe, the mind can achieve it. Where there is a will, there is a way. Let's set our goal very high. Everything is possible. If we ask what we can into this life want to do, we should think we came to live our loud, great life. We should work too hard and too long to let anything stand in the way of our goals. We will not let our teammates down, and we will not let ourselves down. We should have this courage and conviction and faith and believe in ourselves. Let's be motivated to be different in our part, because we are different. We should not copy anybody else. Dear friends, these are some immortal thoughts which I am sharing with you. You know how much pleasure it is for me to motivate you, to inspire you. You have got to be engaged in your minds and in your heart. I am always willing to motivate people. I hope by example and perhaps by excitement, by having productive ideas to make others feel involved. Never quit, never give up, never say never, never say die. With daring, willing, and with your courage, energy and enthusiasm, you can be always successful in your life. Multiple failures, obstacles, disadvantages, they will test your patience, your courage, your will. And if you never give up, you are bound to come out flying colors. Know or listen to those who know and then share with others. Let others also grow and blossom in their wisdom. Let's leap, and the net will be there to protect us. Take risk. Those who take risk come out of their comfort zone. They only live. They are only free. Let's learn from the past. Set vivid, detailed goals for the future, and live in the only moment of time over which we have any control, and that is now. Learning is the beginning of wealth. Learning is the beginning of health. Learning is the beginning of spirituality. Searching and learning is where the miracles process all begins. No matter how many goals we have achieved, we must set our sights on much higher one. Never be satisfied in life. As long as the breeze is there, there has to be some higher and higher goals. One may miss the mark by aiming too high as too low. One person with a belief is equal to a force of 99 who have only interests in life. Just something to do will not make us great. To do something great with passion, devotion, dedication, manifesting our total potential latent in us. One way to keep momentum going is to have constantly greater goals. Dear friends, I thank you very much for hearing and watching this video. May God bless you. Be great, be successful, be happy and prosperous in your life. Chew and digest these thoughts which we discuss every day. Bye from now.